Last time we talked about how to choose raw material. Today, let's discuss something even more critical. How to evaluate the whole machine. Many customers visit factories, looking here and there without knowing what to focus on. Today, I'll show you 4 key things to check when purchasing a raw forming machine. First, check the machine frame. The frame is the backbone of the entire machine. If the backbone is weak, even the best rollers are useless. We use heavy-duty valve square tube frame. Why square tube? Because square tube has a closed cross-section, offering much higher rigidity and torsional resistance than open-section profile. Its won't poise or deform at high speed, so your profile dimension stays stable over the long run. How to tell if the frame is good? 2 things. Check the steel work thickness. Check the quality of the valve. Some manufacturers use I-band or H-band for their frames. Those work too, but compared to those, valve square tube offer better overall rigidity and torsional resistance. The long-term stability is on a completely different level. One more critical thing. Check if the frame has been straight relieved through damping. Without it, welding straight is not released, and the frame will start deforming after a year or 2. Your profile dimension will drip. Second, check the rollers. As we covered last time, good rollers use CL12 MOV or D2 tooth steel, vacuum heat treated to HRC 55 to 62. How to tell? Ask the supplier 3 questions. What material? If you hear 55 steel, because that won't last more than a few tens of thousands of meters. What harness? HRC 55 to 62 is the minimum standard. What's the machining tolerance? Good rollers hold tolerance within 0.05 millimeters. Also, look at the roller surface with your own eye. Smooth, no scratch, no rust. That's how you know the machining is done right. Third, listen to the song and watch it run. You can't judge a machine until you see it in motion. What to listen for? A good machine runs quietly, basically just the sound of bearing turning. If you hear scratching metal or knocking sounds, here's the problem with the bearing or gearbox. What to watch for? Watch how the strip pass through the rollers. Is it smooth? Any wobbling? Any jamming? A good machine delivers steady, smooth material flow. Fourth, check the scrap. This is something many customers overlook. Take a look at the scrap pile next to the machine. What can scrap tell you? Look at the cartridge. Lots of birds miss the shear or cuts off die has issue. Look at the scrap rate. A good raw forming machine has a scrap rate of less than 2%. If scrap is piling up, it indicates a design flaw. When you are sourcing, ask the supplier to cut a few pieces on the spot. Check the cartridge. Check the scrap. That tells you more than any brochure. To customize, check the frame, check the rollers, listen and watch it run. Check the scrap. After these 4 checks, you'll know exactly whether the machine is good or not. Are you sourcing a raw forming machine? Not sure about something? Drop your question in the comments. I'll help you figure it out. What topic do you want for next week? Let me know.